Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to show you this function in Google Sheet. If you search in Google Sheet. Yes, it is a very sometimes very difficult for you, but I encourage you to do it by yourself. By create own Gmail and go to the Google app and click the Google Sheet. Now go to the function sheet in the search function. Because it is when we select the search function, it will show you this function. It have two options. Option one is insert cell to the shift right, and function two is insert cell into the shift down. And roll above and roll above and roll below. Column is same, row column left, column right. In sheet as well, and you can use the shortcut sheet at F11 chart pivot table image. If you wish to insert image in the Google Sheet, we have two options. Option one is insert image in shell, and option two is insert image out of shell. Draw. Okay. Sorry. Draw, you can click it draw as what you want. Example like signature. Okay. Okay, functions. A lot of function in Excel or Google Sheet. Google Sheet and Excel is the same, but Google Sheet is best for than than Microsoft Excel because it can use online link the checkbox before chip and command or note. It very a lot of function. I hope this video can help you more. However, I encourage you to try it yourself by go to create a Gmail and test by yourself. Yes, see you next video.